Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the applications on your device which you could use. So select one from the available applications. Here click to edit icon to rename it, and you'll see here the library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to use photos from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. So just select one from the icons, tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we just should skip the ads here, and after that just tap to add. We could change the next icon by the same way or to go to the desktop. So we could see here now the new calculator icon, and this is the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.